Hello everyone, you're welcome to this video. So for those that want to migrate abroad to settle, or you want to move abroad, for whatever reason you may have, right? Study is one of the easiest routes to make it abroad. Regardless of which country you want to go to, study is the easiest. So in this video, I want to show you schools you can apply to and get a scholarship. You school study for free. So this video is basically about how to study abroad for free. All right, so I'm going to be showing you the schools to apply and just all the details involved, the website, what is needed, if you need IELTS or not, just everything you need to apply to move on the study route and to do it without breaking the bank. So stick with me in this video where I'll be showing you everything. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe if you want to be seeing more videos like this. On this channel, I share information that's going to help you in your relocation journey, whether you want to move abroad for work or for study, or you just want to go live in a different country. I have information that is going to help you with this. So do subscribe to the channel and also turn on the post notification bell so you know every time I share a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thanks for the support. I truly appreciate you. And if you want to talk to me personally, I have a one-on-one consultation, so you can send me an email so we can get to talk about your own personal needs. All right, so let's get straight into the video.
This school right here offers free application, right? So it is written right here that there is no application fee and an essay is not required, right? No application fee, essay is not required, all right? So we are thrilled about your decision to apply, whether you're applying for as a first year student, a transfer student, or are interested in our graduate programs. We are here to help make the application process as easy as possible. So it's stated here that they have undergraduate programs and they also have graduate programs as well. So if you want to do your bachelor's, you want to do your master's, you can do it in this school. All right. So that's it for admissions. We've seen that it is free to apply and an essay is also not required as well. So for graduates, okay, for undergraduates, you can apply on the app. You download the app and then you apply. Once you've submitted your app, you will be automatically considered for all available scholarships. So consideration for scholarships is automatic. Once you apply, you're considered for all available scholarships. All right. And then for the graduate programs here, to apply to a School of Professional Studies, establish an online account, then select graduate program, teacher certificate, and post baccalaureate application when prompted. So you click here to begin your application process. And then for accelerated bachelor's and certificates, you begin your process online as well. You open an account and then you get that done. All right, so let's look at what's available for international students. This school, they say, is a vibrant and exciting campus that welcomes students from around the world. We were ranked as one of the top 12 most diverse colleges in Pennsylvania. We embrace all cultures, respect and appreciate diverse backgrounds, and work to fully integrate our international students into the Albright community. As an international student, you'll feel at home immediately as you live, learn, socialize in our residence halls, classrooms, and clubs. You may even consider joining our International Students Association, an organization that fosters understanding between all students. We can't wait to celebrate your arrival on campus. So for first year students, you click to apply and then you can also transfer to this school as well. So here are some dates and deadlines to remember. So application deadline, financial aid deadline, admission notification, financial aid notification, and then student response deadline. Okay. So for the fall semester, which is, September of this year, the application deadline is July 1. Financial aid deadline is July 1. And then they have rolling admissions notification, rolling financial aid notification, And then for student response deadline, it is August 1. So these are the next deadlines is July 1 to apply and August 1 to respond when you've gotten your admission. And then for the spring enrollment, the application deadline is December 15 and you have until January 1 to respond to your application, to your admission rather. All right. So there are always frequently asked questions that you can click on to read more. So if you need more information, you can get all of that here. Okay, so let's look at scholarships. We welcome your enthusiasm, spirit, and desire to excel. To acknowledge your efforts and to reward you for your accomplishments, we offer a variety of scholarships and awards with amounts totaling as much as $22,000 per year. If you apply by April 30, you will automatically be considered for scholarships and awards and will receive notification of your financial package at the end of your application or soon thereafter. Yeah. So you have up until April 30 to apply so you can be considered for scholarships and awards. Okay. And April 30 is a few days away. So try to apply for this as soon as possible. So they have a lot of scholarships, and everyone that applies to this school is considered automatically. So try to work within the deadlines that they have here. So there are scholarships here. Eugene Shirk Scholarship. This one is 22,000 per year, and the Presidential Scholarship 20,000 per year. Dean Scholarship 18,000 per year. Keystone Commitment 16,000. Faculty 15. Recognition 12. Connection 10. So there are a lot of scholarships here, and they also have awards as well, the Legacy Award and the Talent Awards, and also the United Methodist Award as well. So there are a lot of awards here. So do take advantage of the scholarships and the awards they have available. Now, this school is not free, right? Because a lot of people usually feel these schools are free. It is not free. All they have is financial aid to assist you, right? All they have is financial aid in form of scholarships, grants, loans, and also student assistantship. So you can take up a job, a part-time job on campus, and then make some money from there to fund your education. So there are different ways to get financial aid from the school. So there are frequently asked questions here about financial aid. So you can come here and see all of them. How do I apply? Do I need to complete the FAFSA? What types of aid can I expect to receive? What is financial need? Just come here and read up on all this information so you can clearly understand how the financial aid works. So there's all of this that you can read. All right. So let's look at the guide to college admission and aid. So there are all the information you need are here. Timeline for college search, admission frequently asked questions, admission lingo, financial aid FAQs as we just saw. So you can click on any of this to see the information. All right. So there's so much to get to find out about the school. So you can take your time and go through the website. So admission frequently asked questions are here as well. So you can come here and read stuff about the admission process. Okay. So I want to show you the homepage of the school, Albright College. That is the name. The URL is albright.edu, right? That is a link to the school. So just go through it and see important information about this school.
I hope you found that valuable. If you did, do give this video a thumbs up. That is a like, so others that need this kind of information will get to see the video, all right? And also subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.